Hello, I'm Steve Hermitage. In this video we're going to take some plain polarised light shots. It's a really interesting effect that you can achieve very simply at home with a computer monitor with a white background and a polarising filter. Now your computer monitor throws out plain polarised light, and if you take your polarising filter, and you can see if I put that in front of the computer monitor and I just rotate it, it will go through positions of black and positions of clear. When it's black, the polarising filter is stopping the plain polarised light coming through, that's why it goes black, and when it's round and it's completely transparent, the plain polarised light is coming through the filter. Now if I put some plastic in between the plain polarised light and the filter, the plain polarised light will be distorted by a piece of plastic in between, and it won't then be plain polarised light that's coming out past that point. So if I then put the polarising filter in front of the piece of plastic, we'll get a coloured effect. And you often see this with stress points on pieces of plastic. So let me do that. I've got a pair of specs here, and if I just put the polarising filter in front, hopefully you can see I'm going to get some interesting colours when I rotate the polarising filter. Okay, I've got my camera set up here. It's got a 105mm macro lens on the front. I'm actually going to put it onto timer, and that means that I don't have to touch the camera, and it means my hands are then free to manipulate other things. I'm going to set the pieces of plastic that I've got. So I've got a ruler, I've got a set square, I've got these glasses and other bits and bobs, and I'm going to put them in front of the plain polarised light. My camera's set up here. I shall manually focus on the objects. I then press the shutter release. That will set the self timer up, and then I can go in front of the camera and I'll just rotate the the plain polarising filter to create the different colours. Now a tip here is to make sure that just before you press the shutter release, that you've got the polarising filter just in front of the lens, because remember the polarising filter will actually cut down the amount of light that gets into the camera, so you need that there for the correct exposure to be made in the camera. Well, here are a load of shots that I took earlier on, and good luck with your plain polarising filter project.